Making a simple game in Scratch. Hey guys! Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make a simple game in Scratch. First of all, create a variable named score which is enabled for every sprite. Now delete this sprite and go to the sprite library located just below the direction area. Choose the sprite. Now search the sprite named Apple or select from the under. Next, add another sprite named Bowl from the library. Backdrop library situated just next to the sprite library. Here I have selected mine. Okay, so now follow the blocks I drag and place them. These scripting blocks are responsible for controlling the player's bowl, allowing it to move smoothly across the screen. The primary objective is to maneuver the bowl precisely in order to catch falling apples. This mechanic forms the core of the gameplay, challenging the player's reflexes, accuracy, and hand-eye coordination. The movement controls are designed to be responsive and intuitive, ensuring a satisfying experience as players attempt to collect as many apples as possible while avoiding obstacles or missing their targets. Now to the apple sprite. As demonstrated, the game mechanics are functioning as intended. The player can smoothly control the bowl, apples fall within the defined range, and the score accurately increases with each successful catch, showcasing a fully operational and engaging gameplay loop.